Assalamualaikum and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mukri Muhammad from 3A.
My name is Kyra Azara, also from 3A.
My name is Ajarna and I'm also from 3A.
My name Muhammad Zarim Safran from 3 Years.
And my name is Zikri Ashrik from 3A. We will represent SAB KL and to meet our project for DIY Made Symbol Competition 2023. Our project name is Stress Free World.
That is all from us 3AK. Thank you for watching.